In the last part of Industrial Revolution, let us have a look on the important discoveries regarding the Industrial Revolution. So, firstly is on reasons for the Industrial Revolution. New technologies dramatically improved speed of transporting people and goods. The first intercity railway was built in 1830 between Liverpool and Manchester. The railway enabled more freight to be transported cheaply and quickly. So, very interesting and a very good thing comes out from the first point, that the first intercity railway was built in 1830 between Liverpool and Manchester. So this is one of the remarkable contribution of Industrial Revolution. Secondly, in 1700 it took 4 days to travel from London to Manchester. By 1870 it took 4 hours. So the second point have just indicated how rapidly have this development occurred, because the time of 4 days was just minimized to 4 hours. So in the 1700 to 1870, it can be understood that a great changes, a major transformation, rapid changes in the area of industries occurred, because of which this communication facility have also grown very rapidly. Next one, application of steam engine. The development of the steam engine was critical for the Industrial Revolution. It enabled steam trains, but also steam powder pumps and machines, which increase the productivity of labor. So this is talking about the importance of steam engines. Growth in global trade is the next one, helped by British effective shipping capacity and empire, which was a source of raw material. So the last point is talking about the global trade, which became possible because of Britain's effective shipping capacity and empire. Let us have a look on agricultural revolution. Agricultural revolution enabled higher food output from fewer farm workers, leading to surplus workers who could go and work in factories. This revolution in agriculture was due to new techniques like crop rotation, selective breeding, economies of large from bigger farms, and better transport. So agricultural revolution also happened because of Industrial Revolution. So it was due to crop rotation, selective breeding, economies of scale from bigger farms, and better transportation. So in agriculture also changes can be seen in the process of cultivation and in other ways. So now, dear students, let us look into the important discoveries, inventions in the Industrial Revolution. So, firstly is Advent Cartwright's power loom, which enabled mass production of cloth, and it happened in 1787. Steam engine, it was developed by James Watt, further transformed the cotton industry and later steam trains. Next is smelting iron. A new method of producing iron was developed by Abraham Derby from in the period 1678 to 1717. Then come steam train. Richard Trevithick invented the first working steam train in 1806. Then come machine tools. Prior to Industrial Revolution, metal was fashioned by hands, which was very labor intensive. Machine tools such as cylinder, boring tools, and milling machine enabled mass production of things like cylinders from steam trains. Then come chemicals. Chemicals such as sulfuric acid and sodium carbonate was important in many industrial processes such as bleaching cloth and other products such as soap and paper. Then come cement. Portland cement was important in new engineering products such as the Thames Tunnel. Then comes tarmac roads. So Thomas Telford and John Macadam developed better roads with firm foundation, drainage and smooth surface. Then comes telegraph wire, which was invented in 1837 by Samuel Morse. Then come bicycle in the year 1839. So dear students, so these are the important inventions and important discoveries, or not discovery, we cannot say, we can say only invention, which has turned to be the boom for the society and which have facilitated human society to beyond imagination. And because of all these inventions and development, we can say that we, the people of this present contemporary society, or the people of some earlier generation who have witnessed or experienced industrial revolution, had led a life better than the king and queen of the earlier days. So with this I end up this presentation. Thank you.